Thank you. The NGO Forum call on the African Commission on Human and People's Rights to adopt an urgent resolution to urge the government of Tunisia to immediately release all human rights defenders, including lawyers, judges, and journalists who have been unjustly detained or targeted for their work, ensuring their safety and protection. Call upon the Tunisia authorities to cease all forms of intimidation and reprisals against human rights defenders and civil society organizations, creating a safe and enabling environment for their work. Demand that the government stop the misuse of anti-terrorism laws to suppress freedom of expression and to silence human rights defenders, urging for a review and amendment of these laws to align with international human rights standards. Adopt all forms of discrimination, racism, and xenophobia against migrants from sub-Saharan Africa, and call for the establishment of comprehensive policies to protect their rights and promote social inclusion. Request the African Union and other relevant regional bodies to support initiatives aimed at strengthening human rights protection in Tunisia, including monitoring and reporting on the situation of human rights defenders. Encourage the government to engage in constructive dialogue with civil society to promote a culture of respect for human rights and democratic values, fostering collaboration between state institutions and civil society organizations. Call for the establishment of mechanisms to address and prevent human rights violation, ensuring accountability for responsible for such acts and providing remedies for victims of human rights abuses. Express commitment to supporting the efforts of the Tunisian government and civil society in promoting and protecting human rights and the rule of law, including through capacity building and technical assistance initiatives. Firmly opposes the Tunisian government's decision to withdraw the declaration under Article 34 of 6 of the Protocol to the Charter as a regressive measure that will entail a reduction in the protection of the rights and freedom guaranteed by the Charter, and in the capacity of victims of human rights violation to access justice and obtain remedies and redress. Call on the Tunisian authorities for the immediate and unconditional release of all prisoners of conscience, including those arbitrarily detained under politically motivated charges such as the conspiracy case and migration-related prosecutions. Thank you.
C'est ça, une résolution sur la Tunisie. Vous allez... Il y a une demande? Vous voulez parler? C'est super. Merci. Donc, voilà, je suppose qu'on peut adopter ces résolutions alors.
Thank you.